Want a quick tip on how to save money on your mortgage? Give me 2 minutes. I'll tell you how.
Hey, so did you know that you could possibly reduce your monthly payment just by filling out a piece of paper? In fact, you can do it online. It's called Homestead Exemption. Let me tell you about it.
A homestead exemption is a legal provision that allows a homeowner to reduce the value of their primary residence that is subject to property taxes. The exemption aims to provide some relief to the homeowners, particularly those who are elderly or have low income, by reducing their property tax burden. In the state of Georgia, where I am, the exemption applies only to the primary residence of the homeowner, and that means it cannot be claimed on rental properties, vacation homes, or commercial properties. The statute may vary in your state, so make sure you take a look. Now, the amount of the homestead exemption varies, as I said, depending on your state, but generally it's a fixed amount or percentage of the property's assessed value. For example, in Texas, the homestead exemption is 20% of the home's assessed value up to a maximum of $10,000. To qualify for a homestead exemption, the homeowner must meet certain criteria, which also varies by state to state. In general, the homeowner must use the property tax as a primary residence and must own the property or have a legal interest in it. Some states also require the homeowner to be of a certain age or have a certain level of income. So again, you gotta check Google so we can be sure. So what's the catch? It's important to know that a homestead exemption only applies to the property's assessed value for tax purposes. This assessment is different from a market analysis that you would use if you were going to sell the property. It's done in bulk by the county every few years. So remember, it does not protect the property from foreclosure or other legal action. Now, if the homeowner's circumstances change, such as they no longer use the property as a primary residence, or a person of a certain age no longer lives there, they may no longer be eligible for the exemption.
So you make sure you have to check.
But overall, the homestead exemption can provide some financial relief. Homeowners should check their state's specific requirements and limitations to determine if they are eligible for a homestead exemption. And if you need help, you want to sell your home, or even just have a real estate chat, make sure you reach out. We're here to help.